Hello, all, it's Sharon. In today's video, I kind of want to share a cleaning schedule that I came up with, and I'll share with you all at the end little cards that I made for Nate to go along with this. So, as I'm packing things up, I've never really talked about this, but ever since losing my job and everything over the last couple of years, it's like a depression thing, and I realized that I used to do a lot of hauls and buy things and collect things, and there's just so much stuff. And when we move to our new place, I want to stay on top of things. So I came up with this quick little, I guess, cleaning schedule. I thought I would share with you all in case you're in a similar situation. You want to do like quick little tidy ups, and some of the stuff won't apply to you because I have animals as well, but I just thought I would share with you all. So on Mondays, I'm thinking that we'll do, every day we're going to do a 15-minute cleanup. I'm going to completely change the guinea pig's cage and do all her laundry, do a full litter change, sweep, and then do rugs, which I don't have a vacuum, but I have one of those Bissell like push non-electric kind of broom vacuums. Dishes, trash will be done every night, and then I will fold and put away the guinea pig's laundry. Then again for Tuesday, the only thing that changes here is that I would like to clean the windows and just keep the balcony fresh and move anything off the balcony that needs to be done. Scoop out the litter and again sweep. I will also mop with the Swiffer, and then dishes and trash. On Wednesdays, I would like to, again, do our laundry and the 15-minute cleanup. Half the guinea pig's cage, because with her you have to constantly take out the old hay and then refresh it again a little bit, scoop the litter, and then the same, like, do the rugs, dishes, trash, reset the homeschool area, because I'm planning on doing a really nice homeschool area in the corner of my living room. And again, fold our laundry and make sure it's put away, because that was a really big issue for myself. I would wash the laundry constantly. I love washing laundry, but I hate putting it away. And in this new apartment, I want to put it away right away. So, and then on Thursdays, I would like to do a full bathroom clean and with all this other stuff as well. On Friday, I would like to do the bedding, towel, laundry, and again, half the guinea pig's cage, and then put away the laundry. Saturday would just be like a general thing. So like clean up, I would like to clean the kitchen, like wipe down any of the surfaces, clean out the fridge, do the cupboards if they need anything. And then on I think I said Saturday, but I'm not sure. And then Sunday, it'd just be like a minimum, just do the cat litter, sweep, and dishes and trash. And then monthly, I would like to clean the walls and clean out the fish tank, do a whole apartment kind of reorganization, like right near the end of the month, restock anything that needs restocking, donate, and trash items, just to stay on top of things. Because like as I'm packing things up, I realize that we have lots of double and triple items sometimes, and bags and like laundry that I washed like months ago that, I'm like, I gotta do laundry again because we don't have any shorts, but then I find a whole bag full of clean shorts. So yeah, hopefully with this schedule, and Nate can help me with some of these items on here. I'll show you the little cards that I made for him. I'm gonna display them, I don't know how exactly yet, but I'll have them probably in his homeschool area. And then whatever day it's on, those cards will be up on display, and I'll show you what they look like. And then he can help me do this, and then we can stay on top of things more often. Especially the last like year with all this, like with the threats from the landlord and everything, I just got way out of hand, and I just don't want our new place to be like that. So I'm gonna share the cards with you all, and I'll be back in a moment. So basically, I just printed off the days of the week on cardstock, so whatever day we're on the schedule. And then I have all these little cards that I kind of use, like, I guess they're called emojis, and then some have words on them, but I did a lot of pictures, that way he knows what it is. So this is sweep and do the rugs. This is our bedding and towel laundry. This is just sweep. This is trash and recycling. This one he knows goes for mopping. This is the cat litter. This is dishes. Fold the laundry. This is when we're doing our laundry. This is the one for clean up the kitchen, clean up the bathroom, the 15-minute cleanup one. This is the half guinea pig cage, guinea pig's laundry. I used like a little net and just made it look like a cage with a little, I guess that's a hamster. I didn't really see a guinea pig on there. But yeah, you can make simple little cards like this by using the emojis. And then this one I did for the balcony. This is the window, and then clean up the homeschool area. So yeah, that's what I came up with as kind of a cleaning schedule. That way we can stay on top of things. I just thought I would come on here and make a quick video for you all and share this idea. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll talk to you next one.
Take care and bye for now.